Baby Trend ez-Lift 35 Pro Infant Car Seat, Desert Midnight. Product details. The ez-Lift 35 Pro Infant Car Seat is the ideal safety companion for your bundle of joy. This lightweight car seat is equipped with a built-in side grip carrying handle for an ergonomic, easy carrying experience that will help take the strain off your back. For added safety, the car seat handle can act as an anti-rebound bar to prevent rotation and movement during a collision. With deep side wing protection, the ez-Lift 35 Pro ensures your baby is always safe and secure. When buckling your little one in, the no-twist harness indicator easy allows for hassle-free safety. The head and bottom inserts offer your baby added support and comfort. For sun protection, this car seat has an adjustable canopy with a visor. For a quick and easy way to find the perfect angle for your baby, the car seat base has a flip-foot recline option and a bubble level indicator. This car seat meets and exceeds all federal safety standards and is aircraft certified, giving you the peace of mind you require for your baby's safety. The built-in side grip for ergonomic carrying is recommended by chiropractors and will help take the strain off your back. The car seat handle can act as an anti-rebound bar to prevent rotation during a collision and keep your baby stable and safe. This car seat is lightweight and offers easy mobility. The car seat is equipped with deep side wings for advanced protection. The no-twist indicators located on the harness adds easy, no-fuss safety.